Hello friends, welcome back to Anisha's Creative Minds. So let's do the springtime painting. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and to get all my new videos, click on the all button option. So let's get started. Here I've taken light blue with a little bit of purple and white for the sky. You can see that I've taken a canvas roll, I've cut it into a rectangle shape, and I've stuck it on the table with masking tape. So as in when you paint, make sure there is no holes. Here you can see some holes which I am filling it with again with paint and covering it. So I am going to paint here the mountains. So some of the mountains which is very far, as I said in my previous video, I have given the tips. When they are far away, make it a little more lighter. For that I've taken purple with more amount of white. And then for the ones which are closer by, I'm making it a little more darker. So I have taken here green and yellow and white. Don't forget to blend the colors with a dry brush as in when you do it, because you know acrylic paint gets dried up very fast. So if it gets dried up, don't worry, take in the brush a bit of water and then just try mix it onto the paint and it will get blended very fast. Now I've taken here green and yellow and a bit of brown too. Now let's paint the tree. For the tree I've taken black and brown. Because it's a nature related picture, it's a tree, so make it irregular, only then it'll get a natural look. Now I'm just giving a lighting for the trunk with a bit of yellow and red. Now I've taken here red with white to get the pink color. I'm painting the leaves. Now I'm just blending the colors with little bit of brown, very little bit of brown, because towards the end side, that is towards the inner part of the tree, it will be a little more darker because there's more dense there. The trees are like there, the leaves more are there, so I'm making it a little more darker. And I'm just lightening the trunk with a bit of white. Always remember that you give lighting or shading properly. Now you can see that I'm on the tips, I'm putting it a little more lighter shade of little bit of red and more amount of white I've taken, and I'm just painting on the tips. You can see that I've just giving a little strokes. You can see the way I'm just placing the brushes on the canvas. Don't forget to blend the colors as and when you do it. Wherever the light is falling, I make it a little more lighter. Only then the picture will get a realistic look. taking a little more darker shade of green. You'll have to do several layers in acrylic painting, only then you'll get a realistic look. So you'll have to wait for one layer to get dried up and then only you can do the second layer. But since it's acrylic paint, it'll get dried up fast, but still several layers might be needed. Now little bushes I'm putting with little darker green. I'm painting a girl. She has a hat and some flowers on her hand. I've taken here blue and blue color and white is the paints I've used here. More of white and just a little bit of blue. For her hair, I've taken brown with a bit of yellow and a little bit of black also. In painting, you can see that the strokes are the ones which will define the subject. So I'm just taking here a thin brush for the hair and I'm just putting just simple lines so that it gives a look that of the hair strands. I'm giving a little shadow for the hat. And for the hands and the legs, I've taken here cream with a little bit of white and I've given a shadow by adding a little bit of brown also. She's carrying a bouquet, so I've just taken here green and adding a little bit of white spots. I'm just putting so that it looks like a flowers she's catching in her hand. White as well as pink I've added a little. Pink is a combination of red and white. Now here and there I'm putting some flowers with white, just putting some spots of white and red. It look like there's flowers here and there. So our painting is almost done. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, do give me your comments and do let me know. And your comments are very much valuable for me. It'll help me to grow and develop more good paintings. So see you next time. So if you like this video, just click on the like button and don't forget to share it and subscribe if you like my video. So see you next time for new videos. And okay, then till then. And also, if you would like to share some of your art work or arts and craft painting works, do share it with us. I will be uploading it in my upcoming videos. Okay then, bye bye.